In looking at some add-ons that I could use in Google Sheets, I wanted to find one that I thought would be helpful to me because I'm not the best typer in the world. So I went to add-ons. I get add-ons, and sometimes I mistype, and so I want to find one that I can change the case so that a lot of times I'll forget to capitalize the first letter of their names and things like that. So I found change case. I added it in here. Click there. So then once you get it into your Google Sheets, then if you can see in my documents here, there's some letters that I forgot to capitalize and things like that. So what you do is you highlight what you want to fix, go up to add-ons, go to change case, and you have quite a few options here. In this one I wanted to the first letter to be capitalized, so I hit first letter capitals, and you can actually watch it go through and it'll fix the ones that I forgot. Now if you want to do something else, you can make it all lowercase, all uppercase. So there's all uppercase. And then there's other ones like that, sentence case, things like that. So if you want to, it's really helpful if you don't have to go to each individual cell and fix your mistakes or your errors. So that's the change case add-on.